Five Magics Motocross School. A little behind. Class starts at 9 and it's currently 7:48. Still gotta get gas, still gotta run by the bank and load up the bike. But we got off kind of late yesterday, so last night. We did, however, I did, however, super glue the chain mount back on the helmet. I was looking at some buckle mounts last night. They're not too expensive, so I'll probably cop one. The videos are gonna be a little bit different for a little while. My job said Friday, mandatory 7 days a week. So what's gonna happen is I'm probably just gonna compile, like I'm gonna go out and ride Saturday and Sunday and just compile both days into one video. Got the bike work done. We did an oil change yesterday, tightened the chain. Actually tightened it a little too tight and then had to loosen it up and redo it. We're gonna go stop by the gas station, put gas in both gas cans, stop by the bank, grab the money. Actually, I'd probably stop by the bank on the way out there because my bank has another bank on the way out there. So I'll probably just stop there and get the money. We're on the dirt road heading out to AJ's right now. I got the window down because I was filling up my gas cans. I got gasoline on them, but it's currently 36 degrees and it's not actually 7:37. It's 8:37. Yeah, it was weird. Yesterday, 80 outside. Today is 36. The high is like 55. Finally, it looked like all the dust cleared because by the time you've seen this video, it'll probably be last week. But there was that big storm that came through. Like, obviously, I'm from Arkansas, but I've said it several times. But there was a big storm that came through and brought like a lot of dust. It was like real foggy for like a day and a half because it started Friday evening, and then yesterday on the way to work, you could tell it was bad. Now it looks like it's all cleared up, so it's good. Thought I was gonna be late, but my hustle. I loaded the bike up in like a minute. That's the fastest I've ever done it. Usually takes me a couple minutes, but I guess it was the way I was parked. I know for a fact like I'll benefit from today, even if like maybe I don't develop the best, skills or whatever. I'll still benefit from today. That's what I'm here for. Plan is to go to the school up at Soggy Bottom. Mike Alessi's gonna be there, and his is about the same price as this one, but it's an hour and a half away. Hopefully I can go, probably go there, ride the Saturday before and then go there Sunday. But now we're pulling up. Now we'll get everything unloaded and get geared up and get ready for the school. Bro.
What's that?
That's all fucking oil.
Oh shit.
Damn, bro. It's my fucking things. It just started like squealing a little bit and I was like, what the fuck? And then just coming off, it just died. I'm pretty sure it's done for. That's fucking...
I'll go get Jeff.
It's a bummer, man. Yeah. That cracked. Hopefully it's good.
Did you have it off?
Do what?
Have it off?
No, so I was riding through that corner and it just kind of started squeaking a little bit. And then I killed it.
You don't have oil feeding the head, so you don't have as much oil pressure, so
You think it'll be good?
I wouldn't ride it until it's not putting oil out.
Yeah. Oh, that's cracked.
How'd it crack?
I don't know. I changed the oil yesterday. I didn't tighten it down too tight. Maybe it's just cold.
Get it seeped in with the O-ring.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to figure that out, and if I have to, I can always run to the shop and pick out a cover off the bike, and then we just order one rig.
I'll probably see if Jeff will let me ride his 450.
Yeah, see what we need to do, and if I need to run to the shop, we'll let you know.
Fucking, you wanna see? I thought it smelled weird. It started like going, like squeaking. I was like, what the fuck? So I pulled off, I shut it off, and I kind of looked down. I was like, well, I thought this was all mud. It's all over my boot. I was like, right here.
O-ring's out. Oh no, it's broke, it's cracked.
Yeah. Adam said pull off, take a look at it.
Yeah, it's cracked right there. Your housing is. You can see the crack right there.
Is it just this?
Yeah, it's just your housing.
Okay.
Just the cover.
Can I borrow your 450 for the day? No. I'm gonna push this. I didn't even get to do a full lap. Adam said if anything he can run to the shop, but I don't want to do that.
You over tightened it or something. Yeah, you gotta have a cover.
Yeah.
Set it on that stump right there. Set it on that stump and no tie downs. Set it on that stump there and get in with us. It's on there and
Oh, I'll have to hop in the back. That oil filter cap just cracked straight across, so oil was shooting out of it.
you didn't tighten it too tight?
I may have. At least this time I'm being hauled off the track. And I'm alright. Poor bike. Poor bike. It'd be cool if he had a 250. I'd just ride it. But I guess I'm gonna ride the 450. That's a big old bummer. Big old bummer. Got oil all over my boots. You get a whole lot of time to think when you're sitting in the bed of a truck going to somebody's house to retrieve a dirt bike. You have a whole lot of time to think.
Dogging my shit. Now you're dogging my shit? Holy shit. Hey, turn that light on.
Which switch? It's been a while since I rode a 450. Well, since probably September, actually. This is a good thing I'm working 7 days a week, so give me time to get my bike fixed. Hopefully, if there's something wrong with it. So much vibration on this one at my feet. riding it. It makes GP Husqvarna 250. Got a lot more control over it. That section will be so fun on my bike. That was scary. Okay, let's do that again. out now. We're heading out. Bike's not with me. Huge shout out to Adam from Yamaha of Harrison for offering to take my bike and drop it off at his shop because he owns it. Shout out to Jeff for loaning me his 450, even though I did not mesh well with it at all, and I was kind of struggling a little bit. Even though I've only had like 5 rides on my 250, it's been a while since I've even been on a 450. Obviously, I think I said that while riding. And, you know, shout out to Jeff for letting me ride his Husky 250 as well. I think I got some clips of that. Don't really know for certain yet what happened. It could have very well been from my oil change. I may have tightened down that cap too tight, which is my fault, but you know, you live and you learn. Hopefully nothing's badly damaged. They're gonna take it and work on it, and gonna manually turn it over to see if it has, you know, if it's still like salvageable, which is best case scenario. I'm hoping that's the case. It's a bummer. Hopefully everything's fine. If it's not, the Yamaha will help me out. You know, they've been really big help since I started racing dirt bikes and kind of got back into it. I don't know if I talked about it in a previous video, but I kind of got back into dirt bikes and then racing dirt bikes around 2021, 2022. Got my 450 in 2021 and then started racing in 2022. I think I raced 1 race in 2021, but they've been a big help. Obviously helped me out with my leg brake and hooked me up with some Tech 10s at a really good price, and the Alpine Star SM10 helmet. So, because I was rocking up with Tech 7s and a SM5, but that was back before, you know, we had it. So yeah, and they're gonna hook Peyton up with some new boots. I don't know if they're gonna be Tech 10s or like he has already, but they're gonna hook him up, which is, it's always good. You know, they're really big on helping people, and that's why I like, you know, working with them. And I wouldn't say like I'm sponsored, but like they do help me out a lot. Bike parts, you know, filters, oils, things like that. You know, they do help me out a lot. And they did help me with my 250, like on the price. He's supposed to give me a call. They open Tuesday. So they're off Sundays and Mondays. So he's supposed to give me a call probably late next week and let me know how bad the damage is, which hopefully isn't that bad. And it's something simple as, yeah, you just need a new oil cap. So, and I was already, it was kind of funny because I was telling him, I was like, man, I already was gonna bring the bike to the shop this week anyway to get the suspension set and the sag and stuff. So 2 birds, 1 stone, I guess, gives me more of a reason because I gotta go get my bike. But I'm gonna go ahead and unload everything, and yeah, probably already said it numerous times, but it's a bummer. You can't really see me, but it's a bummer. But it is what it is. We'll hopefully be back soon, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.